Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to protect your post on X, formerly known as Twitter. So to protect your post on X, what you have to do is to open your X app, go to your profile, navigate to your settings and privacy, click on privacy and safety. Now click on audience and tagging. You're going to see the first option that says protect your post, turn it on. After that, only followers who you have approved in future are going to see your post. When you go to your profile and check, you're going to see the key lock icon and all your posts will be protected. Only those who you have approved are going to see your post on X. So that's how you protect your post on X. That's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.